Today we're going to turn back the hands of time. My friends are going to show us how to take your hands from this to this in 15 minutes. So I'm here today with my good friend Randy Lane, owner of Catwalk Productions. And Randy, you have actually been in the beauty industry really since you were about 19 years old. Is that correct?
Yes, it is.
Okay, you started as a model, and I think you did some
100
soaps.
years ago.
Oh, okay. I seriously doubt that. She's 29, maybe 30 at this
Forever.
point. Forever. But when we talked about this video, you were like, tell me what it was you said, because it's pretty comical.
Well, what I said is the truth. I have had old hands since I was 7 years old. Right?
Right. Okay. Well, I disagree, but we are going to do some pretty cool improvements today here at Skin Therapy. At this point, I would love to introduce Vanette Wilson, nurse practitioner here at Skin Therapy.
Yeah.
And she is going to tell us today what's going to happen.
Well, we can fix this. This is one of the common things that happens as we age.
Or when you're 9 or something.
Yeah. Hey, exactly. But the first thing we notice is volume loss, as well as fat loss, and then decreased turgor in the skin. So we can add the volume back to our hands with a product called Radius, which has been indicated to fill the tissue above the vessels and kind of hide everything up and make it look young again.
Awesome. Okay.
I'm so excited.
And we couldn't have picked a better model. I mean, she's
Absolutely
gorgeous.
Stunning.
So I will say, Jennifer Curtin did some prep work last week. Jennifer, can you let us know?
Come on.
Tell me what you guys did last week.
So what we did when I first saw Randy, she had some like dark spots, a little bit of pigmentation. We did IPL, and that helped to lighten some of the dark. And then we came back and I used the dermal infusion to rehydrate and exfoliate. So we took some of the dead skin off, we rehydrated, and her skin looks 10 years younger already.
It does.
Awesome.
It really does.
That is great.
Mm-hmm.
So that was really bad before.
So I gave you a
I mean,
head
it looked
start.
Really good. So I'm excited to see the end result. Randy has had quite a bit of volume loss in her hands along with sun damage. The sun damage and age spots were addressed with a laser, and I'm going to address the volume loss with a filler product called Radius. Radius is a calcium hydroxyapatite filler, and it lasts up to a year, and it also stimulates collagen. The procedure is very tolerable as it contains lidocaine and provides a numbing effect after the first little bolus. Usually we can get by with one syringe. However, in some cases where there is significant volume loss, like in Randy's situation, we generally need to use 2 syringes. So post-treatment care, Randy will continue to massage the back of her hands to distribute the product once she's home for the next 24 to 48 hours. And I would like to see her back in about 2 weeks, and then a follow-up again in 6 weeks just to determine if more filler is needed.
Okay, so it's been about 2 weeks since we were last here. We're going to do a recap for everybody, okay? Jen did some dermal infusion to impart moisture back in the hands. She also did some IPL, which helped with some brown spots, age spots, fine lines. And, of course, the big thing, Vanette did the injections with Radius.
Yes.
Talk to us. Recap for us what the last 2 weeks have been like and what the final result is.
Well, I'm thrilled with the final result. Let me say that straight up. I don't know if you can see this. For someone who used to wear sweaters like this to cover their hands, I don't have to. So you can see how great it looks, and I'm super happy with
I
that.
love it. It is
It's
amazing.
amazing, isn't it?
They look like completely different hands, and I really mean
Definitely.
that. They're filled in. It's all that hollowing is gone.
It's crazy.
Okay,
It's
good.
really fabulous. I will say I had no pain with the procedures, either one, the injections or anything. It's not a painful experience. Tiniest bit of swelling and maybe a little bit of achiness in the beginning, but I would say that lasted maybe a day.
Oh, fantastic.
And that's it. And it didn't stop me from doing anything that I needed to do. It was just this quick little thing, and then
I love that.
here it is. It's amazing.
Amazing. So, my guess is you would definitely recommend this.
Absolutely. If anybody needs to know more about it, they can call me. And I'll talk to
I
them
love
about
that.
it.
We may
It's
take you up on
amazing.
that.
Okay.
Okay, I love that. I love that. So if you have any questions, contact Skin Therapy, and Jen and Vanette will be happy to walk you through this procedure. And of course, you have these gorgeous before and afters to refer to. Much love and gratitude.